Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf back again, and again this is a video on crypto only because I'm not able to right now find any other asset to trade on, any good opportunity. And let's see if we find another opportunity on crypto only, Bitcoin or Ethereum, because still they are continuously going sideways only. Like there's no such movement either to upside or downside, because I knew already that it is going to go sideways because of that incessant pump to $37,000, and after that it has to take a halt in between. So we'll discuss all of that in today's video only. So let's jump into the chart. Alright, so landing again on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and there's not such price action formed right now to predict either the price will go to the upside or to the downside. Right now it's completely sideways moving and can't predict anything right now. But what I can notice from here is that the daily volume of Bitcoin is fallen below the average volume. So I hope you can see this white line. This white line represents the daily average volume, and as we can clearly see that for the past couple of days the Bitcoin's daily volume is below this average white line. So this indicates that there is not such high volume in the price right now, and yeah, we can see a huge pump or dump in just couple of days coming, but right now it is just completely sideways only. Also, what I noticed is that there are chances that the price of Bitcoin is forming a head and shoulders, or I can say triple top pattern, which is a bearish pattern, but the main neckline of this pattern is right here. So if the price of Bitcoin breaks this main neckline to downside with a retest or with a huge volume, then we can enter in a short, and yeah, very confidently we can enter in a short, because after that we can see a small but immensely important and incessant dump to the downside as well. That can stimulate the bears, of course. On the other hand, the Ethereum is right now also forming a kind of a double top pattern. Double top chart pattern is also a bearish pattern, and the main neckline of this pattern is this important yellow zone that I already informed you in my previous videos. So it's clear that if the price of Ethereum breaks this yellow zone to the downside, it's gonna be an easy short. The bears will get stimulated again, and we'll see an incessant dump to the downside, and it can go all the way down till, I would say, either to 1590 and continuously to $1,530 approx. But let's see what happens, because it's still not confirmed that the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum will dump only, and it is important to wait for the price action to form completely and not just sit and decide that okay, the price will fall down, so I will enter in a short here. No, that is not correct. Let the market, let the price first show you what they are going to form, and then trade accordingly. And just a quick update on Stellar. So I hope you all remember Stellar's chart, and this is the important resistance and this is the important support. So what happened last time was we entered over here and we booked our profits over here. Complete continuous move, and we booked 20% profits there. So what happened recently is the price did came down, but it did not even touch this yellow zone of support. I am pretty confident on my zone, and I knew that if the price is not going to touch this time, it will again come down to touch or to, I would say, land on this yellow zone right here, and the same is happening right now also here. So what I will do here is I'll just wait. When the price comes near this yellow zone, I will wait for either a confirmation of a reversal or any bullish confirmation. If I see that, I will enter a long again on Stellar, and again my target will be all the way up till here only, this zone right here. So yeah, let's see what happens right now, because I can clearly see this is a impulsive move, and right now it is a correction move happening. So there are chances that the price of Stellar can come down till here, and after that it can give a reversal and continue at an impulsive move. And those people who are trading for past couple of months or have some experience already can notice that there is kind of a bullish flag also formed. Well, still it is not yet formed, and there are chances that the price of Stellar can come till here and reverse up. But if the price of Stellar breaks this yellow zone to the downside, then I will go short on Stellar easily. Easy short I will go, and my target will be this, I would say, blue order block. This is a very important order block, and order block is a smart money concept in which this is a special level. So whenever the price of Stellar reached here, it did a, I would say, an very huge pump or dump. We can clearly see here also the price of Stellar came here and then boom, a pump to the upside. The price of Stellar did a breakdown and then dump. So yeah, this is a very important zone. I'll tell you its target. It is from 0.0961 to 0.0887 approx exactly. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it and understand that what is happening in the market and where we can get opportunities to trade as well. And also I'm finding some good assets to trade, either gold, silver or any other stocks. And what I'm thinking is that I will switch from swing trading to intraday or shorter time frame trading too, so that I can give some trades to you guys also. Not any financial advice, do your own analysis as well, just a practice trades only, and so that we both can make money easily. So yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Just be ready and create your account on Bybit. You can trade crypto there easily. So create an account on Bybit. The link is in the description, and you can get up to $30,000 gift there. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Create an account for free and start your crypto trading journey over there. And yeah, see you guys next time. Do watch this video right here.